Hello students, as I have sent you in earlier videos how to find the determinant, today I will be discussing with you how to find minors and cofactors of a given matrix. Minors are the first topic that we will take. Minors are calculated for each element present in the matrix. See, what is a minor? If A is any square matrix and its elements are represented by Aij, then minor of a particular element, say Aij, is denoted by capital Mij, is a determinant which is obtained by eliminating ith row and jth column of the element Aij. That is, if I write A as suppose A11, A12, A21, A22, then if I want to find a minor of a particular element, say A11, then minor of A11 is denoted by a capital M11 and it is equal to the determinant obtained by removing first row and first column. So if I remove this first row and first column, what is left? A22. So minor is determinant of A22, which is a single element, so it is nothing but A22. In the same manner, if I want to calculate a minor of suppose A12, so what you will do? You will write M22 and you will write M12 and it will be eliminating first row and second column. So I am left with A21. So it is a determinant of A21, that is simply A21. In the same manner, you can find the minors of each and every element present here. Suppose I want to find M21, then it is you will be eliminating this row and column. So you are left with A12 and it is equal to A12. And if you find the minor of M22, you will be eliminating second row and second column. So if you eliminate these two, you are left with A11. So it is equal to A11. This is how we find minors in case of a 2 by 2 matrix. In the same manner, you can find minors for elements present in order 3 matrix. See how we find there. Let us take A as A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Let us randomly pick any element. Suppose I want to find the minor of A23. Then minor of A23 will be M23. Now again, same process, nothing different. You will eliminate second row, third column. So what is left? A11, A12, A31, A32. Write the elements in the determinant form in the given order. A11, A12, A31, A32. Now again it is a determinant of 4 elements. So you will follow the same process of finding the determinant. A11 into A32 minus A31 into A12. So this is how you will find a minor if you have a 3 cross 3 matrix, and in 2 by 2 it is very simple. So this is how we can find minor of any of the 9 elements. I hope it is clear to you. And if you want to find any other element, say if you want to find for A32, then what will you do? You will eliminate third row and second column. So when you eliminate these two, you are left with A11, A21, A13 and A23. So you will put the elements in the given order and you will find the determinant. Is that clear? So this is how you will find the minor. Thank you.